All right, welcome back to the channel here. Saturday morning, where I'm at, whatever day it is where you are. Hope you're having a good day. Anyways, we're going to start this video off here, kind of going over what the 15-minute breakout strategy is and going over the past forward testing results that we've had over the last 6 weeks. This is episode 7. So if you're unfamiliar with what the 15-minute breakout is, all we are doing is we are simply marking out the high and the low of the first 15-minute opening price of the day for the New York session. So let's go ahead and do that this morning. So here's where price opened. That's going to be the low. And then on the 1-minute chart, we are going to find the candle. So we look for the 944 candle. That's the candle you use. So anything before that that's higher, that's your high, and then that's your low. So there we are. Got the high and the low marked out there. That looks a little, there we go. That's probably it there. So we have the high here of 1260, 260. So whichever side it takes first, right? So it pushed up, pulled back down, pushed back out. So if it took the low first, we'd take a short. If it took the high first, we'd take a long. We're using a fixed 2.5 to 1 risk to reward on this in particular strategy. So our stop is always going to be 15 handles, and our take profit is 38 handles. That's how the strategy works. I guess I should have. Let's do that. Let's pick a different, because that thing is not. We need a horizontal line. There we go. Much better. So anyways, we'll go ahead and take our long or short position based on what side it takes first. So it took the top side here. So we would take a long position here. And again, we're going to have a 15 handle stop loss. Let's put in our stop loss. 15 handles. And our target is 38 handles. So there you are. So we can pretty well clearly see it pushed above here, pulled back. Does it hit our stop loss? No, it doesn't. We'll zoom in here a little bit, make it a little clearer. Does it hit our stop? Nope, does not. So it pulls back into the range, pushes out. Does it hit the target? Yes, it does. So on Monday, we had a nice 38 handle winner to start off the week. It's always good to start the week off with a winner. It makes it more likely that you're going to have a nice week. So Monday, a winner of 38 handles. And let's get over here to Tuesday and check it out. Tuesday here. Let's just find opening price. Zoom in on it a little bit here. And so here's the 930 opening price right here. So the high is pretty much right where we opened at, right? As we can see, that's the high. Let's go ahead and find the 944 candle, and that will be our low. So here we are. There's the 944 candle. So anything before that is the low. So obviously we can see that price took the low first. Let's take this off here now that we don't need that. It's going to be a little too muddled otherwise. A little too muddied up there. So price took the low first. Let's go ahead and put our position on here. So we would be taking a short right here at the low. And once again, risking 15 handles, looking for 2 to 1 risk to reward, or 2.5 to 1. So we'd be looking for 38 handles here. So right there. So as it goes through, the price sells through here, we get tagged in. Does it ever stop us out? It does not, and it goes straight to the target here. So on Tuesday, we also had a 38 handle winner. So starting the day off good there. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We're trying to push into 1,000 subscribers. We got a ways to go there I think at the time of this video, we're somewhere around 380. So if you are watching this video and you are not yet subscribed, please do me a huge favor and press that subscribe button. Once again, it does help the channel. We are also live 5 days a week, 9:15 a.m. So if you are interested in seeing these strategies traded live, please join us. So here's 930 candles. So that's opening price. We're going to just go ahead and use that. 929, 930. So we need to move that up. Is this 944? Nope, that's 945. So we need to move it up to there. And let's find the high. So we're going to find the 944 candle. So clearly this is the high. So this is not very interesting. These is ones where it kind of stings a little bit. Because what happened here? Your 945 candle tags you in short here, but then pushes back up into the zone. So this would have been a loser. We don't even have to put the take profit thing on there. It's going to be a 15 handle loser on Wednesday. So Thursday, let's move on over to Thursday's action here and see what happens. Check out the Thursday action. Like I said, we do stream 5 days a week, so if you guys want to join us, check these strategies out live. That would be appreciative. And if you are interested in trading futures, then obviously we have the links down below for APEX, Topstep, and Bulenox. The current promotions are APEX is 71% off, Topstep is 60% off, and Bulenox is 40% off. If you are interested in a Bulenox account, if you send them a message through the help desk and let them know that you would like to sign up for a combine, but you want the 71% off that Apex is offering, you want them to match it. Most of the time they will. I have had that happen to me myself, where I've sent them a message and got the better discount. So here's the 930 candle. This is the high. So now we're going to find the 944 candle and mark out the low. So the low is on the 944 candle there. And let's just see which side it took first. Did it take the high? Nope. Did it take the low? Yes, it did, right here. So in this case, let's put on our price so that we can see our position. So we would take a short position here. Once again, risking 15 handles. Like I said, we do have the links down below in the description for the for those coupon codes and stuff there. So check that out. So we get tagged in here. Now, with this strategy, once we get 20 handles in profit, we do lock in 10 handles. So this thing pushes down. So we're tagged in from 21.25. Do we get 10 handles? It goes down to 96. So yes, we do. We actually get 20, what is that, 25.50. So we would have locked in 10 here, and then we would have gotten stopped out. So on this particular day, it was a 10 handle winner. So we're guaranteed a winning week here going into Friday. We cannot lose, unable to lose. If you guys do have a Topstep account, one thing I want to go over with you while we're scrolling here, Topstep did come out and offer a free reset. 40K subs is the code for that. So 40K SUBS, all lowercase. And the advantage to that is if you don't currently have a Topstep account, you could sign up for one using my link, and you could get 20% off by signing up using the link. And then you could also get that free reset there as well. So something to consider there. So this is an interesting one. So in other words, what I'm saying with Topstep is if you sign up today, you could essentially have a free reset in your back pocket there that you could use by Wednesday. So does this thing take the low? Here's the high, here's the low. So on this particular day, I will tell you guys I made a mistake. I had my entry one tick below Well, it's supposed to be one tick below price. But unfortunately, let's see, is this right? One tick above or below price? I believe I was tagged in up here long. Yeah, so anyways, I was tagged. This is not a mistake. This is actually correct. So on this particular day, it's kind of max pain here because I had my entry one tick above the high. So did I get tagged in on this candle here? Yes, I did. So you can see this is actually supposed to be there. So you get ticked in right here on into a long, and then you get stopped out. Now, had you not got tagged in there, this would have been a winner. It pushed down out of the 15-minute range, pushed back up and retested it, and then sold off. So, but we are using this for exact purposes, and based on the rules, Friday was a loser. And based on what happened in real time there. So let's break out our calculator and kind of go over our winners for the week here. Not going to use the old head because math is hard. So we had two 38-point winners and one 10-point winner for a total of 86. And we're going to minus 30 handles from that. And our week 7 total is going to be 56 handles. Now, if we multiply that times $20 a point, excuse me, that is $1,120 for the week. That's a pretty solid week. We don't typically average that much on this strategy. So we were at $4,820 total coming into this week, and this is week 7. So if we divide that by 7, that gives us $848 per week average on this strategy so far. And I forgot. Let me go ahead and make sure. So the total profit is $5,940. And that's through 7 weeks. It's not bad, guys, for just an opening range strategy. You're just targeting a 2.5 to 1. I mean, I can't complain about it. Last week, no. Did I follow the rules? Yes, I did. Did I capture all of these trades? I did not. On Tuesday, price moved so fast. And I'm using NinjaTrader. And I haven't gotten the hotkeys set up yet. And I didn't want to just mark it in, but kind of on Tuesday, price moved through so quickly on the 945 candle that I didn't have an opportunity to put my order on the book. So I missed the Tuesday trade. I did capture the rest of the weeks. So that's going to be your 15-minute strategy forward testing there for the week number 7. Once again, if you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me, subscribe. And we are live 5 days a week once again. So if you're interested in joining us, we would appreciate it. We will see you then, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching.